Hi guys, Debbie here. How are we doing? So today I'm going to show you how I made this with alcohol inks and gold deco foil. But I'm going to do the one I'm going to show you is going to be blue with, it's like a holographic silver deco foil. Okay, so put that to one side because it's not fully dry. Now, I've never actually done this before till today, so we're all learning together. Oh, sorry guys, I just dropped my blower. So, I've got myself this blower from down the road. It says it's a sucker. Why it's a sucker, I don't know when it blows, but hey ho. Right, I've also got myself some isopropyl alcohol. I can't find my dripper bottle, so I've got it in a little bottle with a pipette. Some sapphire blue alcohol ink and some Yupo paper, which is just this one. And I've cut mine down because I don't need big sheets. Right, so what I did on the red one is I got the alcohol and I just dotted it around on the paper and then dotted the red, but this is the blue obviously, and then blew it around. Just till you get it where you want it to go. And you see these dark lines that it's leaving? We need to keep them if we can. So don't blow all of them out, just keep some of them, because that'll be where your foil's going to go. Alright, now I'm going to add some more of the blue. Just over the top. Darken it off. I don't really think I'm going to need any more alcohol, but we'll see. Possibly a little touch of the alcohol just over the top of those bits that we've just added. It's a bit dark. And then just keep blowing. I tell you, it gives you a workout. I'll have to keep swapping hands. And really, you should have gloves on, guys. I'm covered in it already, so it doesn't really bother me. But and make sure when you're doing this, you've got plenty of ventilation. I've got my windows open and my fans on. And just keep going till you happy with the pattern. I'm doing a little bit more up here, so I'm just going to add a couple of touches of the alcohol, just where I'm not happy with it. And then a couple of more drops of your blue. And again, just blow. You could use a straw. I find this is a bit easier. Plus, I can't really talk and blow a straw at the same time. Now this is the, once you've got it to this part, it's hard to judge. You don't want it fully dry, but you don't want it soaking wet either. So I'd say maybe a minute just to let it dry off. I'm gonna pick it up from there a second and just quickly wipe down. Just while it's drying. And like I say, it's hard to, I can't tell you exactly how long, because each one will be different depending on how much ink you've got on the paper and how much alcohol's on the paper. And you can see that's still awfully sticky, especially there. So that's too sticky for what I want to do. So I'm gonna just keep putting your hair on it. It won't move about now because it's pretty much dried off. Right, we'll leave that for a second. I'm going to get some of this deco foil out. So I reckon that's about good to go. Well, what I'm going to do is just cut this down. We don't need a full sheet. And then just literally place it over the top and just rub. Pretty side up, of course, like you would if you're just foiling anything. And just keep rubbing till it's all nice and flat. And then, if it's worked, all should be revealed. And just, if it's not stuck to places, just go over with your foil where you can see it's still a bit tacky. There's a few spots that it's missed, and it did that on the red one too, so a few little spots up there. I think we've pretty much got them all. Yeah, I think that's it. And there you have it. How pretty is that? So, there's the blue one. And there's the red and gold. Okay, guys. So, what I'll do next is make a card. That's in the next video. Catch you soon. Bye.
In the morning light, where dreams take flight, your hand in mine feels so right. Every day's a canvas, painted with our smiles. Walking through this life, we'll go the extra miles.